Our content includes in-depth tutorials, detailed, step-by-step guides to help you tackle common repairs and maintenance tasks with confidence. Diagnostic tips, expert advice on identifying issues and performing accurate diagnoses, saving you time, money, and frustration. Preventative maintenance, proactive measures to keep your BMW running smoothly and extend its lifespan. Insider knowledge, insights into the inner workings of BMW vehicles, empowering you to make better decisions and become a more informed owner. Q&A sessions, interactive sessions where our BMW Master Technician answers your questions and addresses your concerns. By subscribing to BMW Repair Info, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge, tips, and expertise that will help you maintain and repair your BMW like a pro. We invite you to join our community and take the first step towards becoming a more confident and informed BMW owner. Subscribe now and unlock the full potential of your BMW.